Hi guys, so welcome back to Tourism with Aamir, and we have stopped here to take some fruits because we are going long way to Sheesh Park. Hi guys, welcome back to Tourism with Aamir. So here we are at the Sheesh Park. It's really beautiful. It was just built in COVID-19 situation. You can see it is it is carved in the natural mountains. You can see the waterfall, everything over here. It really feels nice and natural. And especially today I came on Friday. I wanted you guys to see how much busy this area is. You are most welcome with me. You can DM me and I will guide you. So I am at Sheesh Park, and this is where the kids play in Sheesh Park. Very nice place. This is how we are going up. Very beautiful place. It was made in COVID-19 situation. You see. From the top of Sheesh Park, you can see the mountains. Hi guys, so we just came little bit up ahead so that we can get a better view of the mountains.